Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am your computer teacher Shahbaz Ali. Today our topic is creating lists. Students, sometimes we represent our data, our information in a form of lists. Suppose the list of students, the list of Pakistan cricket team, the list of teacher and the list of friends. In the following, we study which type of lists are available in HTML and how to create them. I also show you how to create a list in HTML language. Here we have type of lists. Basically, we have three types of HTML lists that are ordered and unordered lists, definition lists and nested lists. Let's start with our unordered list. Students, in our unordered list, the order of the atom in unordered list is not matter, is not important. In other words, we will interchange our atoms, it does not affect. Suppose you have to write the cities of Pakistan and it does not matter which one you write first and write the second. For creating an unordered list, you have to use the UL tag. Here we have UL opening tag and UL closing tag. Now, list atom is added with the LI that represent the list atom. Now this is a code snippet. I will also show you the practical of this ordered list. Now students, in ordered list, the list atom you have to write in sequence wise. If you change the order, the whole meaning of the list will change. For example, the teacher asks you to make a list of students according to their marks, according to their position. And if you change the order, now the meaning of the whole list will change. And in ordered list, we cannot change the list atom order. To create a list in order wise, we use OL, that means ordered list, and its atom we use LI, that represent the list. So here we are going to do the practical of our today lecture. This is our editor in which we will use our code, and this is our output. Here firstly I am removing all this content. Here I am removing this and I am saving and refreshing this page. Here we have do not any content here. Now here I am creating list heading. For giving the heading we use hashtag. Now creating lists, and I am writing a paragraph P types of list. Here I am saving and refreshing this page. Now for the ordered list, unordered list, we use UL tag, the UL opening tag and the UL closing tag. And here we have the list atom. Here atom 1. Now again second list atom. Now third. And now fourth. Here you can see, here we have a opening tag, closing tag, and here we have a content. Here I am saving this page and refreshing our website. Here you can see type of list. The first where I am again giving another paragraph that represent the unordered list. I'm saving this and refreshing this page. Here now I am doing the bold. So for writing the bold we use bold tag, and here I am closing this tag and saving this page, removing this one and save and refreshing this. Now you can see this is the unordered list example. In unordered list example, here we have some symbol that we will use. Here it does not matter which one atom is the appear first and which one is the appear second. Now same we are using the performing the ordered list operation. Again here I am writing a paragraph and in which I will write the ordered list. Now saving this page. Here for writing the ordered list we use OL tag, that means ordered list. Now here it has atoms. Now first atom is I write the first atom here, same first atom, and then next is second atom. This one is third atom. Now this was in fourth atom. Now I am saving this page and refreshing this. Here you can see here we have number wise. Here we have order wise. Now this is the first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. But in unordered list we do not have any orders. Here we use some specific symbols, and in unordered list the order does not matter.
Definition list. So student, definition list is basically the another type of list. It is also known as description list. It is very helpful then if we want to need to show some terms with their description. For example, if we are studying in the 9th class and in the 9th class we have multiple subjects, then we want to display the subject name and their little bit introduction of each subject. For writing this of atom, for writing this content, we will display our data with the help of definition list. In the definition list, as you can see here, we have a tag DL tag that defines the description list. Then DT tag that specifies the term that we will use, and DD tag describe the terms are shown in the following example. Here we have a code snippet. You can see here firstly we have a DL tag definition list main, then DT data term, or then DD definition data. Here we have a coffee, and here we have a little bit introduction of the coffee. Then here we have a milk, and there we have a little bit introduction about the milk. Now we will also do the practical. This is our output file and this is our code file. So here I am writing the DL tag, so that is why I press here DL, then DL closing tag, now here we will define definition list. Then here we have a content. The first we will define DT, opening tag, dt closing tag, and here we have a content. The content is about the coffee. This is our first tag. Then next tag is about the dd opening tag, and here we have dd with the help of forward slash closing tag. Now here we have some description: black, hot drink. Now I am copy this and paste here, changing the name. Here I have now milk, and some description about the milk, like that: white cold drink, white cold drink. Here I am saving. You can see here we have a dl tag. This is a dl tag, and this is a d tag. dl tag means define the description. Now dt tag specify the term, and dd tag describe that term. Here I am saving this and refreshing this page. You can see here we have some definitions, and here we have a title, and then about a little bit introductions about this title. Now students, our next list is nested list. Nested list means a list within another list is called nested list. It is very helpful in that situation if we have multiple options of a single term. Then we will use the nested loop. Suppose we have a table. For writing a table of content that contain subsection. Here we have a code snippet. You can see here we have a coffee. Then here firstly we have a list, unordered list, and you can see here we have another list within this list. Firstly we will define these two words and for little bit further define about the T. Now students, we will do the practical for clear understanding. Same. Firstly we will write the paragraph that will represent the title. Define. Here we have a nested list. Now I am defining the nested list. Firstly we will use the tag that are ul tag, ul opening tag, then ul closing tag with the help of forward slash, then content between them. So firstly I am writing here about the list. So here we have list li opening tag and list li closing tag. Here we have the content is COFEE, coffee. Now second one is about the, I am copying this and pasting here. So I am replacing the coffee with by tea. Now here I am defining the another list that is again ul unordered list, and here we have ul closing, and here we have a content that is about the T. Then here we have a list, again list with the help of forward slash closing. Here I have a content that is about the black coffee, and second one option is about the opening and tag and closing tag. Second, you can see here every tag that we will open, we will must close it with the help of forward slash. Then second is green tea. Now this is list. This is another list that we will define in our list. Now next is, here we have list, then we are closing this list. The content is that milk here I am removing this because this is a part of our tag. I'm saving this and refreshing this page. You can see here we have a list that is nested list, and nested list again defining a list with another list. Here you can see here we have a list, and here we will further define of the T. We will perform this operation with the help of these keywords, these tags. If you want to bold this, I will here simply write the bold tag, use B with the help of forward slash. I am saving this page and refreshing. Here you can see nested list is bold. Same we can do this with a definition list, ordered list or unordered list. So student, in our today lecture, we will completed our topic about creating list in HTML. I hope you understand well. If you have any query, you can ask me. I will give you answer as soon as possible. So take care. Allah Hafiz.